there's that green one that's like curvy.
That one's like, that's like. Come on. Yeah.
What did you get here? I got your yellow one of ours.
We got your red. I mean, they're all ours. We can read them.
Let's go, Winter! I just got it. I'm done. Oh, no way.
Nice, baby.
What? That looks like the funniest movie. Holy cell!
The feet are so bad.
Nice. Move those feet. You got it. Nice. Nice, baby. You got it. Good save.
I've had one day with
Yeah, there you go. Almost there. You got it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Nice, come on. Yeah.
You got it, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Awesome.
Like, was it not possible to get your foot on the foot jet, bro?
Like, I don't know. I would. I guess like.
I'm about to.
But I'm scared to like walk off.
No, for sure.
I should just not be scared.
You got it, baby. You got it. There you go. Nice. You got it, baby. There you go. Yeah. Nice. You're good, yeah. Here we go, Mikey. Yeah! Oh! Oh!
Come on. You got it. Come on. Nice. Easy. I spoke to you. For having a baby, no less. Yeah, it's pretty bad. But the positive thing is it's forcing us to downsize, which is definitely needed. Come on.
Here you go, Shane. Yeah, dude.
Come on.
Here we go.
Nice.
Actually, do you want to put some chalk on? Let's go. Great, this is so good. Keep going, keep going. Cold.
You got it. Nice.
Yeah, there it is. Yeah, speed. Go, 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 go.
Nice.
Yes, almost there. Oh my God.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Nice.
Beast.